This is PPD, the Philippine Podcast Directory, the one-stop list of podcasters in the Philippines. The PPD has brought a lot of podcasters and podcast titles together in one place. Our goals include bringing startup podcasts to a wider audience, forming a community of podcasters to raise the standards of Pinoy podcasting, and giving listeners a one-stop hub where they can find titles they might be interested in. The PPD also has its own podcast, The PPD Show, highlighting specific podcasters and podcasts in each episode to give listeners a glimpse of the people behind the mic. The PPD Show is on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Anchor, and wherever you listen to podcasts. The Philippine Podcast Directory can be found on Facebook and Instagram. If you have a podcast and would like to be included in the list, please send us a message and we would love to add you to our list and welcome you to our community.
This episode is sponsored by Podmetrics. Podmetrics is a platform we use to get all of the data we need for our shows, from who listens to us to where they are. If you want to start using Podmetrics, visit podmetrics.co and use the code DMTGShowPod. Again, that's podmetrics.co and use the code DMTGShowPod. So, ayan, welcome to another Unfiltered Tagalog Wrestling Podcast. Every week, this is the MTG Show Podcast. So, I'm back again with another episode. But this time, this episode is gonna be different. So, we're going to talk about G1 again. Since G1 Climax started last September 19, 20. And medyo naiiwan na ako sa ere. So, let's start. This, gaya nga ng mga nasabi ko last time, I'm not going to explain how the match goes or kung ano yung nangyayari sa match, kung sino nanalo sa match. No, I'm not going to explain it further. Instead, watch it. Yun lang masasabi ko sa inyo. So, this episode's not gonna be long kasi di naman siya sobrang review. So, ito na lang. So, let's start with the day 3. So, that's Jeff Cobb versus Shingo Takagi. Alam mo, itong match na to is not hindi siya yung, wait lang, ang hirap tumpukin eh. Hindi siya yung maganda, hindi rin yung pangit, pero sakto lang, saktong ganda lang. Pero, ito kasi yung mga matches na nakakabitin eh. Dapat talaga 60 kung maaari. 60 minutes is good, pero ito talaga hindi talaga ako satisfy lately sa mga New Japan shows na to. So, maganda yung match na to, but medyo nakakabitin. Isa sa mga factor nakakabitin talaga tong G1 na to episode, tong night 3, tong Shingo vs Cobb. Ayan, so nakakabitin siya sobra. And then next is Takahashi versus Kazuchika Okada. Second match of the G1 Day 3. Ito lang ang conclusion ko. Medyo nakaka-interest yung money clip. Sakit sa leeg dun Sakit sa leeg, sobra. Pero naiintriga pa ako dun sa money clip since ngayon ko pa lang ulit siya nakikita. Bihira ako siya makita kay Okada. Nakapakabihira. And then Minoru Suzuki versus Taichi. Medyo na-upset ako doon sa napaka-quick na finish nitong match na to. Pero ang ganda ng palitan nila eh. Pero ito yung match na to, medyo na-upset talaga ako dahil parang ang bilis ng ending eh. Napakabilis. Kaya medyo nakakadismaya din. Nadismaya din ako. So, yan. And then, match number 4 is Will Ospreay versus Ishii. Ayan, isa to sa mga solid matches ni Ospreay dito sa tournament so far. Pero maganda to, but hindi ko parang nabibitin pa din talaga ako eh. 30-minute time limit lang kasi. So, hindi pa ako kontento na 30 minutes daw. Hindi ako kontento. Kaya, ganun. And then, finally, the White versus Ibushi during the day 3. Man, hindi talaga pwedeng hindi mawala si Gedo dito. Hindi pwedeng hindi mawala. Nakakadismaya pag nandun si Gedo. Gedo is one of the biggest jokes in New Japan sa pagiging tawag ba dito, valet or manager, ganon. Na-upset ako ng konti kasi parang nasisira yung flow ng matches. Obviously, ganun naman talaga ang purpose ng manager. Pero hindi yun. Ito, nakaka-unsyami eh. Hindi ko ma-tolerate masyado eh. Kasi every busy matches, ganito nangyayari. Nakaka-dismaya. So yeah, Night 4. Let's talk about Night 4 real quick. So, Goto versus Sanada. So, di ko na-expect na mananalo dito si Goto. To be honest, di ko na-expect. Pero gusto ko na manalo si Sanada dire-diretso. Especially kay Naito in the future days. And then, Yano versus Tanahashi. Di na ako na-surpresa kay Yano. Putang ina. Di na ako na-surpresa kay Yano dito. Diyos ko po. Yung may isang part doon na halos mamamatay talaga ako kakatawa doon. Buisit. So, ayan. And then, after the disinfection, Kenta versus Robinson. Juice Robinson. Nagulat ako doon na matalo din si Kenta dito. Nakakagulat sobra na Kenta is going to lose the match. But hindi nawala yung momentum niya papuntang Wrestle Kingdom, I think. Dahil doon sa US title shot. Hindi nakakagulat yun. And then Yoshihashi versus Evil. Kaya ng KJ White. Fuck this, man. Fuck this. Nung una ko ito napanood, nakatulog na ako. Kaya nakaka-unsyami talaga panoorin to si Evil lately. Kidik Dogo, putangan na. Nakakabanas. And then the main event of day 4 is Naito versus CSJ, Zack Sabre Jr. Ito yung isa sa mga matches. Ito yung isa sa mga solid na matches ni Naito dito sa tournament so far. And sana mahigitan pa yun. Mahihigitan pa yun. Yun na yun. And then day 5. Ito, paalala ko lang ulit, hindi ako nagbigay ng review na mahaba. Kasi gusto ko panoorin nyo muna. Itong binibigay ko is just my thoughts, just my opinion. Yan, that's it. Yun lang naman. Tapos yung ratings ko mamaya pagkatapos ito. So, next is the day 5. Ibang location na to. So, Takahashi versus Taichi. Medyo nagago ako sa ending ito. Seryoso, nakakagago yung low blow doon plus yung clutch. Nakakagago. Ewan ko ba't parang nagagago ako doon sa ending nun. Yun. And then medyo na-irrita rin ako sa Japanese commentators doon sa match na yun. And then next is the Kepka versus Minoru Suzuki. Not the best match of Suzuki here in the tournament so far. Hindi ako masyadong nagandahan doon sa match. But maganda pero hindi yun ang best match ni Suzuki so far in the tournament. Yan. And then Ibushi versus Ishii. Ito yung isa sa mga paborito ko laban ni Ibushi dito sa tournament na to. So far sa G130. Ito yung isa sa mga favorite ko na matches from the night. Yun naman talaga. And then the Ospreay versus Shingo match. Wow, nagulat ako. Akala ko talaga mananalo na dito si Osprey. Pero hindi pala. Hindi ako binigo dito ng New Japan. Parang alam mo yung andito talaga yung unpredictability noong mga matches ng New Japan. Andito talaga eh. Kitang-kita mo talaga dito eh. Kung gaano ka-unpredictable yung mga matches nitong tournament na to. So, napakaganda ng outcome for me. And then, finally, the main event for day 5 is the Okada versus White. Typical Jay White with distractions. But I love this match. Hindi siya yung sobrang haba. Pero nasatisfy ako dun sa match. Ang isang naging problema ko lang talaga dito, si Gedo lang talaga. Buisit na Gedo. So, ayan. I'm going to read the scores again from day 3 to 5. So, Jeff Cobb versus Shingo 3 to 5. Alos lahat ng day 3 is 3 to 5. Nabanggit ko na yung reason, but still Jay White is a dick. And then night 4, Goto versus Sanada is 3. Yano versus Tanahashi is -1. And then Kenta versus Robinson is 3. Yoshi versus Evil is 2. And Naito versus CSJ is 3.5. And then the night 5 is... Wait lang, correction lang ako para sure ako sa mga sinabi ko. So ayan. So, day 5 is Takahashi versus Taichi 2 to 5. Nagago talaga ako doon. Cobb versus Suzuki 2 to 5 din. Ibushi versus Ishii is 3 to 5. And then the rest is 3 to 5. That's it. The scores. Yun na yung score ko. And next week siguro 6 to... wait lang. This is day 5. 6 to 8. 6 to 8 ang ating i-review dito sa podcast. So, that's it. Follow the podcast on Facebook, facebook.com/The MTG Show Podcast, Twitter and Instagram, The MTG Show Pod, Patreon, The MTG Show Pod. And then, follow the podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, Anchor, or kahit saan pa kayo makarating na podcast platform. And then, also download the MTG Show Podcast app on the Google Play Store. Again, ayan, also follow my personal accounts on Facebook, Angelo Garcia Penera, and then Instagram and Twitter, The MTG Show Pod. The MTG Show, yun lang. Not to confuse with the pod and the main accounts. So, ayan. Yun na lang. So, see you on the next episode, and stay safe and stay wrestle.